Hello, and today we will be looking at addition of 2 and 3 digit numbers. Okay, now before we get into that, let's just talk about what addition is. Now, addition is taking two or more numbers and adding them together, right? That is, it is the total sum of two or more numbers, right? And when we are adding, we use a particular symbol, and this is the symbol we use. This is called the plus symbol. Okay? This is called the plus symbol. Now, let's take a look at what I mean by sums and adding two numbers together. Okay, so let's say, for example, we have, let me use a different color. For example, we have 7 plus 4. Okay, so here we're adding 7 and 4. And our answer is what we would call the sum. Okay, so I'm going to use these small little fruits to demonstrate that. So I've got my 4 here, and then I have 7 here. Okay, so what it means by finding the total is, what is it when this is all together? Okay, so on this side I have 7, and then on this side I have 4. Now, what happens if I put those together, right? If I put these together, that becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Sorry, 11. Okay, so our total is 11, right? Now, let me just explain what this is here. Right, so what we have here is what we call the addition sentence. Okay, this is the addition sentence. And then what we have here is the sum. And the sum is what we call the result when we've added things. Okay, so let me just look at a few more examples so you get a proper grasp of what I mean by adding two or more numbers together. Okay, okay, so let's look at another one. Simple one would be 5 plus 2. Okay, again, I'm going to use those little fruits of mine. Right, so I have 5 here plus 2. Okay, now when I put these together, I've added them together, and that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so our sum of 5 and 2 is 7. Okay, right, I hope that sort of clarifies what I mean when we're adding two or more numbers together. So let's look at one where we're adding 3 numbers together. Okay, so let's say I have 2 plus 2 plus, perhaps, let me say 3. Okay, Now, if I grab those little fruits of mine, I've got 2, 2, plus 3. Okay? Now, when I add these together, right, that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay? So the answer is 7. That is the total.